My name is Nasako Besingi, Managing Director of the Struggle to Economize Future Environments. And I'm also a farmer. My village is within this zone of Herakles concession.
The company has sued you for defamation. Can you make comments on that lawsuit?
Yes, the company had also sued me for what they call bad publicity. They said that I am the one who is passing misinformation or information to the national and international communities, and that I have lying that they are illegally occupying land in Mundemba area and many other things. I have just said the right thing. I don't regret saying that because that is what they have done. So I have all the proof to prove that Herakles has illegally planted pillars in communities within Mundemba, and I can prove that anytime and anywhere.
Now, I understand that you are against this project. Why are you against it?
Well, when people say I'm against this project, I think that it is not only me who is against the project. The problem is the location of the project, where the project is located. And when you look at international or national norms, it clearly states that projects of this magnitude to be put in this area, they need to carry out a precautionary approach to doing business like this in this area. This area is very, very significant in the conservation domain, in the hydrological domain, in the agricultural domain, and even the cultural domain. You know, so we feel that putting a project like the palm oil project in between the Korom National Park and the Rumpi Hills, which is a complex watershed formation, is not going to affect just the local community living nearby the plantation or within the concession, but also far-off communities living in coastal fringes in Nigeria and Cameroon. This thing cannot go like this. We need to follow up. We need to know these people. So I started organizing on the ground, talking to chief. First of all, I wrote a 9-page document giving my opinion about the project and why people should stand up for their rights. So that all happened in 2010. And all this I articulated the negative impact of the project and trying to informing the chiefs their rights and making them knowing that this company is not telling them the truth because we don't know the real name of the project. We don't know. Here, the right to use, they use C Global Sustainable Oils. In communication with the government, they use SG Sustainable Oils. Now, when we were organizing, we successfully held a meeting in Mundemba. More than 300 people participated. We invited the company. Come and tell us how you managed to be here and what you are doing, who you are. Believe me, Herakles Farms duly served with an invitation letter, failed to turn up. The second meeting was called again in Kumba. They were duly served with an invitation. They decided to stay away from that meeting. And because of all that, we realized that we're trying to talk to a company that does not want to talk, or for community to even make some kind of concession or a negotiation, if you put it this way, to a company that does not want to negotiate. And so the only best option, since they had the administration behind them, was to go to court. And interestingly, the Cameroon Environmental Court provided an ample opportunity for us to sue a company destroying forests. Because by this time, they had destroyed forests. They had destroyed this forest in Fabe, in Penja, and so on, without talking to the local community. On the 29th of September, I was going to educate the population and sensitize them on the environmental importance of their area, their village, and the area, and also impact of this project, the Herakles project, around their communities. And also the bad behavior of Herakles, you know, because their approach has not been it's not in conformity with national and international norms. Mm-hmm. And the Herakles people, at one point they passed and went in front of us and went and hid themselves somewhere in where there was no village around. And as I approached on a bike, I was just taking off the bike, a moving bike. And so I sustained serious injury